We are now down to our championship game sa ating Team Magic one-day league. And ang ating final match for our championship game to be played between Hit Me versus Dominators. At talaga namang sa elimination kanina ay unang nanalo ang Hit Me against Dominators. Tingnan natin ngayon kung sila ulit ang mananalo at madodominate nila ang Dominators for the championship game. So, tingnan na natin. Let's see and let's witness. Napakagandang laban po ito ngayon, mga kaibigan. So, pasok na ang ating mga first six. Hello, kaway-kaway kayo dyan. So, service po ang Team Hit Me. And jersey number 25, Alcobar, is our first server for Team Hit Me. At okay na tayo. Hintayin na lang natin mag-whistle ang ating referee. Kudyat para simulan ng ating championship game. And let's begin. Jersey number 25, Alcobar, is serving. Napakagandang simula. Let's see, Camille. Alcobar to CJ, the top scorer. And talaga namang pininindigan ni jersey number 11 ni CJ ang pagiging top scorer. So, 1-0 against Dominators. So, still serving Hit Me. Jersey number 25, Alcobar. It was an under. Let's see. Isang puntos para sa Dominators. So, 1-1. At ang setter ngayon ng Dominators ang nagsiserve. Short and quick. Let's see kung makakabawi. CJ to Charlene. Charlene to CJ ulit. But it was a save. At Alice is on the block. So, good pa tayo. It was blocked by Alice. So, our score now is 2-1. Damang po ang Dominators. Check to Charlene. Charlene to CJ, the top scorer. At miscommunications doon ang Dominators. So, tie score po tayo ngayon. 2-2. Now serving, Charlene, jersey number 17 of Hit Me. Wow, it was a strong serve. Pero it was saved. So, Alice, De Torres to Charlene, Charlene to CJ ulit. This time, wala nang block. Hindi na na-block ni Alice ang drop ball ni CJ. So, 3-2, lamang na ng isa ang Hit Me. Charlene for a serve. But it was already a dead ball. 4-2 na po tayo, lamang ng 2 puntos ang Hit Me. At it was a service ace by Charlene, jersey number 17. Ang Caldereta Queen ng Hit Me. Let's see kung makakabawi ang Dominators. The save! Save ulit! It was saved! It was saved by Save! At si Sebon ay nakapagmura ng konti. So, 5-2 na tayo. Lamang ng 3 puntos ang Hit Me. It was a good save by Che. At nakapunto siya doon. Ano yun? Okay, it was inside. So, 3-5. Service po ng Dominators ngayon. Pero lamang pa rin ng 2 puntos ang Hit Me. Che to Charlene, Charlene to CJ. And CJ for a score! or 6'3", now serving Camille, jersey number 22. Ang napaka-fresh, easy serve. Let's see. Outside! It was outside. So the score now 7-3 lamang ng 4 na puntos ng hit me. At mananatili ang service ni Camille, jersey number 22. Kum-advertise pa si Kuya. Let's see kung makakabawi. Alice to Che to Charlene. Balik ulit kay Che. Napakagandang save. Pero nakuha. CJ. And it was a wrong, mali yung first ball. So, 8-3. Lamang ng 5 puntos. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi ang Dominator. Okay, there was an error sa hit me. So, 10 puntos para sa Dominators. Score is now 4 serving 8. Alice is now serving for Dominators. First ball ngayon ng hit me. Jersey number 2, Di Torres. Di Torres is now striking. It was a drop, but it was saved. L to Rosa. Rosa to CJ. And it was a good spike. Napaka-timing, no? Napakalakas. Talagang top scorer natin ngayon. Score is now 9-4. 9 serving 4. Lamang ng 5 punto. CJ for a hard serve. Free ball tayo at nagkaroon ng hindi pag-uusap ang dalawa. So let's see. L to CJ. CJ to Charlene. Charlene to Di Torres. It was only a tap, but it was a score by Di Torres. 10-4. CJ pa rin ang ating service sa hit me. Lamang ng 6 na ngayon ang hit me. 10 serving 4. It was a powerful serve. Charlene to Altovar, but it was saved. Di Torres. Di Torres for a score. That was a score, Di Torres from hit me. 11-14. At si CJ pa rin ang ating service specialist. Wait lang po, nagkakaroon ng hindi pagkakaunawan sa kabila for substitution ng Dominators. Lumabas si Alice at pinasok ang ating Beach Valley girl. Now serving 11-4. Miscommunications. So, serving 4. Si CJ pa rin ang ating server. Napaka-strong! And it was an ace. Ace. 13-4. And timeout. Yan. Timeout po muna ang ating Team Dominators. Our score is now 13-4. Lamang po ng 9 points ang ating team with me. Time check, it's 12:41. This game is brought to you by Team Money Plus. Money Plus, hit me. And there was a serve, I think hindi. Alus is serving now. Switch sila ni CJ at nagpapahinga ang ating top scorer. Alus is serving. At medyo malakas yon. Let's see. Rosa to Sherlyn, Sherlyn to Altobar, Altobar. Ayan, ito sa score. 14-4, lamang ng 10 puntos. At magsiserve ngayon ang pinakagwapa, fresh jersey number 90, Alush. Talaga namang napaka-fresh. At easy ball na naman tayo. Rosa for the first ball to Sherlyn, Sherlyn to Di Torres. Konting drop. Let's see kung makakapuntos ang Dominators. Pero hindi. Hindi pumapayag ngayon ang Team Hit Me na makapuntos. Di Torres. Nice dig. There's a quick drop. Pero Altobar is now spiking. Altobar. Binalik sa Dominators. Rosa. Sherlyn. Di Torres. Inside by Di Torres. Ayan po. Napako na sa 4 ang puntos ng Dominators sa ating championship game. And this game is brought to you by Ayala Land. This game is brought to you by Off the Hook. Sa mga mahilig sa seafoods, punta na sa Off the Hook. Oh! But it was saved by Alush. All to Alush. Tingnan natin, Altobar. Saved by Alice. Set, nahirapan ng setter, pero pinalo ni El, pero mali. 16-4. This game is brought to you by Money Plus. This game is brought to you by Ayala Land International Sales. Alush is still serving for Hit Me. Nahihirapan po ngayon ang Team Dominators at talagang na-dominate sila ng Team Hit Me. 16-4. Kusera! Ayan na talaga ang ating pambato. At what's the number 4 for Che? Ayan na. Ano sabi? Ayan. 17-4. Hindi pa rin nakabawi ang Team Dominators. Ano bang ginagawa ni Che ngayon? Talagang pumupuntos kanina pa, no? Let's see, makakabawi ba? Hindi pinapayagan ng Hit Me ang Dominators. But it was under. Yan. Nakapuntos na tayo ng isa. 5-17. Lamang ng 12 ang Hit Me. Service to Di Torres.